beautiful people, welcome or welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, I welcome you. If this is not your first time, thank you so much for your support. Thank you for always returning. Please continue to like, share, and comment. If you haven't yet subscribed, please consider doing so. As you can see by the title, I'm making carrot juice. Sister J's way, Sister J's version. Come along with me. Let me show you how I make this lovely carrot juice. I already have the pot here on the fire with some water boiling, so I'm just going to put the carrot in. So I'm going to just steam the carrot for about 10 minutes and then we start to make some carrot juice after the carrot is cool. Okay guys, here's a rundown of the ingredients for my carrot juice. Here I have the carrot, of course. I have the carrot steam, and here I have the water that I steamed the carrot in. I have supligen, sweetened condensed milk, a Guinness, vanilla essence, nutmeg, and cinnamon. So guys, let's start the blending of the carrot to make our carrot juice. Sister J's way. Okay guys, it's time to blend the carrot. So remember now the carrot is steamed, so we're not gonna do any straining. Okay, we're gonna blend this all the way out. So here is the water that I steamed the carrot in, because normally, you know, they will say by cooking the vegetables we lost the nutrient in the liquid. So if we lost some nutrient, it's right here, so we're gonna use it. So I'm gonna go ahead and blend the carrot out smoothly. Okay guys, this should be ready. check it. Okay, it's a little thick, but by the time I add the supligen and the Guinness in, it will be fine. So this is what it looks like right now. Because I'm using the sweetened condensed milk, I'm not going to use sugar. Okay. So I'm going to put like half of the can of milk in. And then I'm going to put the supligen in. I'm using the vanilla supligen. And you know guys, the supligen is optional. Now I'm going to put some nutmeg, like a teaspoon of nutmeg, and I'm going to put half teaspoon of cinnamon, tablespoon of vanilla essence. Now I'm going to blend everything. Okay guys, so now I'm going to put the Guinness in. You can use Guinness, or you can use Jagger, or you can put a little rum in it, or you can just leave it like that, let it stay virgin. So guys, I'm not going to blend the Guinness, I'm just going to stir the Guinness in. There you have it, my beautiful people. My carrot juice is ready. I'm just going to put a few cubes of ice here, not too much. And this is my carrot juice. Sister J's way, Sister J's style, Sister J's version. There you have it, guys. There you have it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Please remember to like, share, and comment. If you haven't yet subscribed, please consider doing so. Take care of yourself and loved ones. Be safe. Guidance. God bless.